Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download credit and income verification with Experian RentBreeze, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin downloading credit and income verification with Experian RentBreeze, open your web browser. Type in the Experian RentBreeze website URL and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login section on the right side. Input your username and password in the required fields. Click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Credit and Income Verification option on the menu. Click on this option to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will see the available reports. Select the report you wish to download. Click on the Download button next to the selected report. Your browser may ask where to save the file. Choose your preferred location on your device. Click Save to download the file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the saved location. Open the downloaded file to review the verification details. Ensure all information is accurate and meets your requirements. If needed, you can print or share this document directly from your device. That's it. You've successfully downloaded your credit and income verification with Experian RentBreeze. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.